Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Philemon, registered nurse. I passed my NCLEX using ReMar review, and I'm actually so glad that I discovered ReMar. Nobody told me about her. I was going through my phone and I discovered her page. I just stumbled on her page and I messaged support and I got the VT, and I did the VT for 3 months, and this really helped to build my confidence level when it comes to content. I graduated from School of Nursing in 2012, and it was really difficult for me to familiarize myself with my content again. So I started following Regina, all her videos with Mark and everything. I got the VT, I did it for 3 months, and the VT really helped me. I was able to understand everything I need to know as regard content. Everything inside here is so simple, it's so direct, it's really easy to understand. So I did this for 3 months and I wrote my NCLEX and I passed with my first attempt, and I'm encouraging everyone to get this. This is really worth every penny. I was really glad that I got this. Everyone should get this. I want to especially thank ReMar team. I want to thank Regina and Mark. You guys are really a blessing to this generation and the future nurses. Thank you so much. God bless you.